Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add bio on your Patreon account. Now if you want to add your bio on Patreon account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now adding a bio on Patreon is a very easy step. You just need to make sure to watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Now to add in bio you just need to install the Patreon app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, open the Patreon app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Patreon, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well at the very center of the screen, and at the very top right you'll see the option of profile icon. So click on the option of profile icon and a pop-up will appear showing you your name, settings, support and the logout option. So click on the three dots which is at the very top right of your name, and a pop-up will appear saying edit profile. So click on it, and from here you need to tap on the bio section and you need to add the bio. So I'll simply write OK for now, and after that you just need to click on the option of save at the very top right, and the bio will be added to your Patreon account. So that's it. That's how you can add a bio to your Patreon account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.